Country's third lunar mission Chandrayaan-3 is set to land on the moon today around 6:04 p.m. It will embark upon the most difficult phase of its journey when the velocity of the lander will be reduced and descent will be initiated from a distance of around 25 kilometers over the moon. Considered the most challenging part, the lander Vikram with rover Pragyan will endure the most adverse condition on moon. We bring you our telephonic interview with Deputy Director, Directorate of Technology Development and Innovation, ISRO Headquarters, Bangalore, Dr. 𝗥𝗔𝗡𝗗.
Dr. Nangasi mission nasi tagadoriba magi descending sequence haipeta thambiram.
Nasi ekuna haji mag akogi Chandrayaan-3 mission sina lariba orbit se 25 km by 134 km ni. Haibadi paidagi thaga nakna mongku 25 km ni aduga magi paidagi lapana 134 km ni ko. Adana haji ki matang sida akogi 25 km sidagi taaba holakadam ni paidagi nakna mongku sidagi 25 km sida akogi Laiba orbit is Laiba model G velocity have a tareko. See Yangi second amada kilometer amaga kilometer anirom so approximately 1.7 kilometers per second. Adu will my target have a target in Marchi hip the Pugumani adu my mama labums and ID yung kat pama. Aduna has a 25 kilometers the tab or pursue the money velocity is 1.68 kilometers per second. I'm going to tell them that saying a mass zero never, but stand of the zero at a never. I don't know velocity is young post from the Tanu ID Magi, the Punga Handa from Chanyabuko. I don't know Mati Akogi mission profile the phase marini, rub breaking phase I have mane, petition hole phase I have mane, fine breaking phase I have mane, terminal descent phase I have mane. Aduna rub breaking phase the yang at Alamba, Penosi and 3G module C, I could Namagi velocity is approximately 360 meters per second, 25 kilometers to 7.4 kilometers about the Handarakari Qua. Aruga Handala Matung Sida, I could approximately 1 kilometer. Thagile Maitegi, opening college at Thagile Maitegi, Yautini, 1 kilometer. Sida, I could be hovering high. Hovering the point where the Magi velocity is low zero. Helicopter no matter to them Nangalaybuto, I link the V. I do some money. I don't know I get up on the target from say that in ID Kanoje Apura Punkalake Mana from the Kamita when I say driving and Labour. I do be Matunji Mukamita where 1 kilometer to 150 kilometers of Mukuntarakani, second hovering. Second hovering Matunjira Yamuki, like my the Chatham cameras in a photo the car, but like my Farea in a car with the ID Kanator running the success or any have a car, I do car and I do not see 150 meters. They might have parani. That's down. That's down, but my velocity is almost zero. I could has a lander, you lake once in 1 meter per second, 2 meters per second, out here to move them to